In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Then scroll again to hit Font Settings here and tap on More. Now you need to select Free or Latest. Tap on the best font style for you. You can either buy one or select a free one. Hit Download. Tap on Apply and wait. So now when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default style, go back to the same settings, so Display and Brightness, then Font Settings, and More. Select Me section over here and tap on Default or Android font style. Hit Apply and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!